Welcome to Chapter 2. In this chapter, we'll delve into how DeskDirector, a comprehensive ticket management software, works. However, before immersing ourselves in the intricacies of this platform, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts, like what is a ticket and how that works. In this video, we will explore integral terms and concepts to lay a solid foundation for understanding how ticket management works. And then in the next video lesson, we will look more at how DeskDirector specifically operates. In the first part of the video, we will define what a ticket is and describe the main players of the process. Then we will delve into the general ticket management process to show you how it usually works, and then give an example to demonstrate why ticketing is useful and important. To conclude, we'll summarize the fundamental concepts introduced in this video, and in our next video lesson, we'll showcase how DeskDirector distinguishes itself within this process as a ticket management software. When technology users in a business encounter an issue or require assistance, they submit a request to IT support detailing the problem, the record of that request, and any subsequent updates from the IT support team or the user as what we call a ticket. We will go over the what and how of the ticket management process in the second part of this video, but first let's talk about the who. When it comes to ticketing, there are four key players: the customer organization and the service requesters who work within the customer organization, and the service organization and the tech agents who work within the service organization. First, let's talk about the customer organization. The customer organization serves as the primary entity seeking IT support services. This could be a business, institution, or any entity utilizing IT infrastructure. Within ticket management, the customer organization initiates the process by submitting support requests or issues that need resolution. Their input is critical in defining the nature and urgency of a problem, ensuring that the service organization can efficiently address their IT-related needs. They may also be referred to as a client, user, or service requester organization. The service requester represents an individual within the customer organization who initiates a support ticket. This could be an end-user employee or any member of the organization experiencing technical issues. The service requester provides essential details about the problem, collaborates with tech agents during the troubleshooting process, and often expects timely updates on the ticket status. Effective communication between the service requester and tech agents is crucial for a successful resolution, ensuring that the reported issues are understood and addressed accurately. They may also be referred to as a customer, client, or user. The service organization, also known as the tech organization, or IT support or service provider, plays a central role in managing and resolving support tickets. This entity is responsible for maintaining the IT infrastructure, addressing issues raised by the customer organization, and ensuring smooth operations. In ticket management, the service organization receives, prioritizes, and resolves tickets, employing various tools and processes to provide timely and effective solutions. Note that sometimes, a service organization may function as a department or a smaller part within a customer organization, meaning that IT service is internal to that business. Tech agents are the skilled professionals within the service organization tasked with resolving support tickets. They possess the technical expertise to diagnose and address a wide range of IT issues. Tech agents review and prioritize incoming tickets, communicate with service requesters to gather additional information, and implement effective solutions. Collaboration among tech agents and clear documentation of the troubleshooting process are key to providing efficient and high-quality IT support. Additionally, tech agents often work closely with both the customer organization and service requesters to ensure a positive and satisfactory resolution of IT-related challenges. They are also known as IT support persons, service, or help desk analysts or technicians. In short, the service requester from the customer organization has a tech issue and submits a ticket to the tech agents from the service organization, who use the tools at their disposal to resolve the issue. Understanding the roles and interactions among these four players is essential for a well-functioning ticket management system, promoting effective communication, issue resolution, and overall customer satisfaction. Now on to how this process works in more detail. So how do tickets work? Our journey begins with the creation of a ticket. Service requesters initiate the ticket management process by reporting issues or requesting assistance with services or products. They provide essential details to describe the problem accurately. Then we have triage and prioritization. Support teams evaluate incoming tickets to determine the issue's urgency and impact. High-priority issues are addressed promptly, while others are prioritized based on predefined criteria. For example, issues that are not work-preventing can be dealt with after there are no more urgent tickets. Assignment to support personnel. Tickets are assigned to appropriate support personnel or teams based on expertise and availability. Assignments ensure efficient handling and resolution of issues. Investigation and resolution. Support personnel analyze reported issues, diagnose root causes, and develop resolution plans. They may collaborate with others and communicate with users for additional information or updates. Ticket tracking and updates. Throughout the resolution process, the ticket status is tracked and updated regularly. Users receive transparent communication about progress, ensuring they are informed about resolution efforts. Closure and feedback. Once resolved, tickets are formally closed, and resolution details are documented. Closure signifies the completion of the support request and allows for analysis and identification of trends. After closure, users are invited to provide feedback on their support experience. This feedback includes ratings and comments on responsiveness, effectiveness, and professionalism. Gathering feedback enables organizations to evaluate support processes and enhance customer satisfaction. Incorporating feedback after closure allows organizations to gather valuable insights, refine support processes, and continuously improve service delivery. This is the basic ticket management process, or ticket lifecycle. Let's look at an example of how a ticket works in the basic process. A user experiences difficulty accessing a critical application required for daily tasks. The user submits a ticket via the company's IT support portal, detailing the issue and its impact on their work productivity. The ticket management system generates a unique ticket number and logs the issue, timestamping the submission for tracking purposes. The IT support team triages the ticket based on its urgency and impact. Given the critical nature of the application and its impact on productivity, the ticket is categorized as high priority. The ticket is assigned to a senior support specialist with expertise in application troubleshooting. The assignment is made based on the specialist's availability and skill set. The support specialist reviews the ticket details, investigates the root cause of the access issue, and conducts troubleshooting steps to identify potential solutions. After thorough investigation, the support specialist determines that the access issue stems from a network configuration error. They implement corrective measures to resolve the issue promptly. Throughout the resolution process, the support specialist updates the ticket status, providing regular progress updates to the user. The user receives notifications via email and the support portal. Once the access issue is successfully resolved, the support specialist closes the ticket in the system. The ticket closure triggers an automated notification to the user, informing them of the resolution. The tech agent documents the troubleshooting steps taken, including the root cause analysis and resolution details, for future reference and knowledge sharing. Following ticket closure, the user receives a satisfaction survey or feedback form to rate their support experience and provide comments. The feedback helps the IT support team evaluate service quality and identify areas for improvement. By following this ticket management process, the IT support team ensures timely resolution of user issues, maintains transparency throughout the support journey, and gathers valuable feedback to enhance service delivery. Ticketing systems offer a superior approach to issue management compared to inefficient alternatives. Unlike ad hoc methods relying on emails, spreadsheets, or verbal communication, ticketing systems provide a centralized and structured platform for tracking, prioritizing, and resolving issues. It also streamlines the handling of user requests, ensuring that each request is addressed promptly and efficiently. A good system also provides for continuous improvement and analyses of trends for constructive development. This all contributes to the maximization of workflow and productivity for your business. The ticket management process involves several key steps aimed at efficiently addressing user requests and resolving issues. It begins with the creation of a ticket, where users report their concerns or problems. Tickets are then triaged and categorized based on urgency and impact and assigned to appropriate support personnel. Investigations are conducted to diagnose root causes and implement solutions. Throughout the process, updates are provided to users, ensuring transparency and communication. Once resolved, tickets are closed and documented, while feedback is collected to enhance service quality. A well-defined ticketing system process flow ensures efficiency and continuous improvement in addressing user needs and delivering quality support services. Congratulations on getting this far. You've watched the intro vid and now should be familiar with the general ticket lifecycle or ticket management process. Next up, an overview of DeskDirector. Good luck!